Are you ready to see your house shine and sparkle like never before? Grab your supplies, get comfortable, and let's jump right in to discover these game-changing cleaning hacks together. If you've ever spent ages scrubbing your bathroom mirror, only to step back and see those annoying streaks still staring back at you, you're not alone. Mirror streaks are a common frustration, but today, we're going to show you a foolproof way to get rid of them for good. No more wasting money on expensive sprays or endless wiping with paper towels. All you need are 3 simple ingredients you probably already have at home: cornstarch, water, and a splash of vinegar. Start by adding a tablespoon of cornstarch to a bowl, pour in about half a cup of water, and then add just a dash of vinegar. Stir everything together until you have a smooth, slightly thick paste. This mixture is gentle on glass, but tough on grime and streaks. Next, grab a clean microfiber cloth. These work best because they don't leave lint behind. Scoop up a bit of the paste and gently rub it onto your mirror, working in small circles. Make sure to cover the entire surface, especially those areas where streaks are most visible. Let the paste sit for a minute or 2, then buff it away with a dry section of your cloth. As you wipe, you'll notice the streaks vanish right before your eyes. The cornstarch acts as a gentle abrasive, lifting away residue, while the vinegar cuts through any leftover soap or watermarks. No harsh chemicals, no strong smells, just a crystal clear reflection every time. So next time you're faced with a streaky mirror, remember this easy science-backed hack. With just a few pantry staples and a couple of minutes, you can enjoy a sparkling, streak-free mirror. No fancy cleaners required. Next, let's clean your phone screen. No harsh chemicals required. Dab a cotton swab in rubbing alcohol and gently wipe your screen, getting into all the corners. Your phone will look brand new, no more smudges. Dirty grout making your bathroom look old? No problem at all. Mix equal parts baking soda and vinegar together until you get a thick, spreadable paste. Scrub the grout lines with an old toothbrush, working the paste in, and watch the grime vanish before your eyes. Your bathroom will look instantly fresher, brighter, and so much more inviting. Time to shine up those faucets. Rub half a lemon over the faucet, focusing on water spots. Sprinkle baking soda on top for extra scrubbing power. Wipe clean with a cloth and admire the shine. It's that easy. Are your shoes starting to smell less than fresh? Don't worry, you're definitely not alone. Smelly shoes are a common problem, especially after a long day or a sweaty workout. But before you toss your favorite pair, here's a super simple and effective fix you can try at home. Grab an old clean sock and fill it generously with baking soda. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer that works wonders at absorbing moisture and neutralizing those stubborn odors that get trapped inside your shoes. For an extra boost of freshness, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Lavender, tea tree, or peppermint all work great. The essential oil not only helps mask any lingering smells, but also leaves a pleasant scent behind. Tie a knot at the end of the sock to keep everything inside. Now, simply tuck the filled sock into each shoe and let it sit overnight. While you sleep, the baking soda and essential oil will get to work, drawing out moisture and banishing bad smells from deep inside the fabric. By morning, you'll notice a huge difference. Your shoes will smell clean, fresh, and ready to wear again. No more embarrassment when you take your shoes off in public. This easy hack keeps your favorite kicks smelling super fresh every single day. That's it. 5 easy hacks for a sparkling home. Like, subscribe, and share your favorite cleaning tip in the comments. Until next time, happy cleaning. Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments.